Hi, my name is Byron A. Melton, and I am here to do my peer graded assignment for this course project for Duke University Human AI Collaboration on the Coursera app. This is an opportunity for me to express the ethical and privacy implications of an ML and AI-based product, and I'm focusing on the aspect of dealing with the challenge of remote access work. We deal with the challenge of remote access work because we want to provide users with the freedom to be able to perform their daily tasks, but also be able to continuously monitor user activity while minimizing risk and enable easy ways to communicate. Our job is to improve the user experience and solve the challenge by enabling a secure enterprise browser. The idea is that we want mission critical work to be done through the browser. Anything that is not mission critical to your job can be done through a regular consumer based browser. Think Chrome or Safari. But if you're doing something that deals with company or your organizational resources, we have to do it through the secure enterprise browser. Now, the user experience will be very similar to that of Google Chrome or any consumer based browser. We make it easy to use. You download it, it's secure on your personal device or on your work computer. We use AI for the user experience, for user inputs, create feedback loops, and then additional transparency because since the consumer, since the experience is based on consumer grade, the user can submit feedback about the browser so we can train the browser to be more like what they're used to using. Additionally, to create more transparency, we can send alerts or push notifications to help close the feedback loop and keep them updated. Now, when dealing with privacy considerations, we want to collect data and use that data within our system to create a better experience for the product. We're implementing machine learning, and it must be done with careful consideration to the users so that we are abiding by all kinds of regulations. But at the same time, we want to perform continuous monitoring to make sure that our users are not clicking on anything that could be detrimental to our environment from a cybersecurity standpoint. And we want to ensure that performance uh, is that they're getting the performance that's expected. And then we're also adapting to evolving threats. Very important to do while maintaining privacy. And then from an ethical standpoint, we want to eliminate potential biases. Therefore, we're going to train the data based on user roles, not looking at things like gender or race, but looking at what information they should have access to based off of their experience within the organization that they work for. And then the three ethical areas, the three goals of fairness, accountability, and transparency. We want to remove bias, to create more fairness, and then accountability to increase user control so they have a freedom to make autonomous decisions, similar to how they would on a consumer based browser. And from a transparency standpoint, we're sharing privacy policies and allowing users to block certain trackers if they're uncomfortable with their data being tracked. With that being said, this is how I feel we can use AI and machine learning to create a better hybrid, and remote work environment. Thank you.